evening, my students. Okay, once again, today we are going to learn how to make weather instruments, and one is here. It is called a wind vane. Okay, so here the materials you're supposed to have, things you must have are here. You have this, a ruler. You can have this or a pencil You have your cutter. This one I got it after eating a cake. I kept it. You can use anything else. After eating a cake, I kept it, so I'm going to use it today. You can have this straw. It's called a straw. After taking your juice, you can use it. Okay, let's start. Look here and see how the process continues. I start by cutting this. Where's my cutter? So I've measured this. So I start to cut them. So I cut. Okay. After we have cut our things here, they are here. We are going to use this straw to fix it. So I'm going to cut even here. Yeah, and even this side. Okay, now we start fixing them. I put this here, and I also get my pointer here. I put it here. Okay, I get this or a pencil. You can use a pencil or this. I fix it here. Yes, I already have my thing here, so I fix it inside. So this is how a wind vane looks like. See? So you place. I think this is so weak. I need to get something which is strong. Oh, I come here. I saw something here. I bring it. I put down. It acts as a stand for me. I bring this. I put on top. I have to use this to make sure it's tight here. It is tight. It is tight here. It is tight here. It is tight here. So I make it tight here. So after I say, okay, so I need to put some mark. So I say, I number it. I start from here. I place it very well. I number here as north direction. I represent by N. This is east, south, and west. Okay, now I put here. So we are going to put it in a windy place. So I'm going to use something to ensure that wind comes here. Then we see how it shows the wind movement and how it shows the direction of wind. So I start. You see, it is trying to move, and as it moves, it's showing where the wind is going. If the wind has changed, the wind you see, it keeps on changing. So it means that the wind direction is in that side, as you can see. And it's also when it rotates like this, it shows that the wind is much, or it shows the speed of wind. When it increases very fast, meaning the speed of wind also is high. So that's it. Thank you. We shall learn more.